Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can play COMBLE Libertad Event in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So this is the new live event from EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So I made this video is for beginner that are new into this game, still confusing how to challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, so you can get ton of rewards from this game. Because previously this game is FIFA Mobile, but right now it's EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So there will be new event, new feature also. And this one is new live event, the COMBLE Libertad event. Tap, so you can play this live event without any conditions. So there will be match group. This is a group stage. You can play skill game, also, match. So after you complete it, the group stage, you can get reward unlock after winning 19 skill games or match on the left. 19 skill games, this is a milestones, and you can go to knockout stage, unlock in 7 days from I made this video. So challenge yourself in CONMEBOL Libertadores event. Try your luck. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.